I swear I don't remember turning this. Ooh. What's up, YouTube? It's JaQuisM back with another YouTube video. I actually need to come up with a intro for y'all. Right now, I gotta head to Best Buy because I have to go pick up an order. Then I have to go to Walmart. Then I need to go take that trash out. So, I don't like how my undershirt is showing. But right now, I'm finna head to Best Buy because I got an order that should have been picked up an hour ago, but I was at work. Let me tell y'all what's been going on in Georgia. So, whenever I post this, I probably will post this today. But if not, then so right now in Georgia, well, some parts of Georgia, we are expecting snow, but most likely ice. Well, we're expecting snow, but they're not expecting it to stick, if that makes sense. Anyways, the roads are hello? Bitch, why you take all the peppermints? Key hell. Hopefully y'all can see me. But as I was saying, was be snowing tomorrow, but it's gonna get extremely cold, and I'm not sure how the road's supposed to be. Anyways, we're expecting a bad weather tomorrow. So yeah. And did y'all hear? I'm pretty sure y'all did, but those LA fires. What start? I didn't really look into it, but I have a friend that lived there, and he was recording it. Like, what started it? I have a lot to put out this year and to do. I'm not gonna tell y'all until probably the day before I do whatever I have to do. But I have a lot planned. One of them is I'm going to prom with my sister. I gotta go to prom with she asked me to go to prom with her, which I said when I graduated I was just gonna pay for everything for her, but she don't have anyone to go to, so I was like, you know what, I might as well just go with you. But yeah, I'm going to prom with my sister. I don't know if any of my people that subscribe to me or watch me, but Beyonce did a performance for the halftime show on Christmas, and the beehive in me was like, she's gonna announce something, which she did, but she didn't. She just announced a day of something. So January 14th, which is a couple of days, what's today, the 9th, tomorrow the 10th, which is 5 days away, we're getting something from Beyonce. I hope it's not her announcing a date, like on the 14th. I hope she's not announcing a date of something. I hope she's announcing a tour, and yeah, I hope she's announcing the tour, and she's giving us, the only exception I would make if she do announce a date on January 14th is the day for the tour. That's the only thing that I'm allowing her to do. But I hope she do go on tour. And disclaimer, I'm going however many shows that she's having in Atlanta, I'm going those days. Then, oh snap, then on top of that, I'm only going, if she's doing 3 nights like she did in 2023, I'm gonna go to all 3, and then the closest state or city besides Atlanta, I'm gonna go to that one. So I'm gonna go to 4 shows if she do 3 shows in Atlanta. Most people are saying that she's doing a residency, meaning we're gonna have to come to her, which could work, because I can't tell y'all that because I'm going to be telling on myself. But they say she's going to be doing a residency. I don't know, I don't want to be Delulu, but this sun is really pissing me off. Yes, I'm almost at Best Buy, and my stomach is touching my back, and my gas light just turned on, so I need to get gas also while I'm out. I'm gonna hit y'all up when I get to Best Buy because this is kind of stressing me out. This almost falling. I catch y'all when I'm in Best Buy. So we made it to Best Buy, and I have to get so much stuff. My phone, my wallet, my keys. Only my wallet because I need to show my ID to get what I'm getting. But check out the fits. My Adidas pants with my Uggs on. But yeah, we made it to Best Buy. Our Best Buy so ugly. I'll get in public is I need to get used to it, but at the same time, why does it matter? No, picking up. I just show y'all when I do a haul of when I go to Walmart. But I picked up the goods. I'm not gonna show you. But yeah, as I was saying was, vlogging in public is like it's I don't know, it draws a lot of attention, which I like attention, but not like, I don't know, it's something I would have to, I don't know, get used to, I guess. I have to head to Walmart because I'm cooking. I made it to Walmart and I'm not sure what to get for this chili, so I'm pretty sure this is gonna be chaotic, and I don't like how fat my pocket is, so I'm just gonna take my card out. I hope it get very icy tomorrow because I really don't want to go to work. How many do you think we need? It's the small packs. Okay, we've been trying to look for stuff on the Walmart app and it's not being very helpful because usually it'll tell you what aisle the stuff is on, but it's not. It's just telling us the information about the fucking item. But this is what we have so far. But in the meantime, I need to worry about what I'm finna eat because I am hungry. I ain't ate nothing all day today but a Jolly Rancher lollipop. 10 times on the 9, I know you lying. But 9 times on the 10, I'm pretty sure y'all don't know nothing about this, but I'm finna put y'all on. The song is called Lotto. Oh, they like you run, ride. I don't know how I'm single again. Y'all just slung all the way over there and hit the side of the car really hard. So I hope my camera is okay. Feels like it just knocked the thing loose from swiveling, cause I don't know, I hope. This, I registered my camera, basically like insurance, warranty, whatever you want to call it. But it say take up to 8 to 12 weeks, which I don't understand. But yeah, I hope I don't and didn't break it. I need my own space. I'm single again. Who's I'm mingling with? You are over in a range bus, cause I 1111 ain't the numbers. But now keep your flicker, got the tight one. Pick one ticket, got the right one. Chinese on my sleeve, wanna be Chinese anyway. If you niggas try to breathe loud, boom your face up, then I tell a ceasefire. Gotta be careful. Okay, so I'm back from my adventure after work, and I'm finna tell y'all everything that I got. So, beef. I got taco and chili seasoning and cornbread with it. So I got cornbread mix. I got chopped green onions and I got milk for the cornbread. I like my chili with sour cream in it, so I got sour cream. I got beef broth and I got red kidney beans. Yeah, beans in my chili. I'm not sure. I have to call my mama because she makes it originally, but this is my first time doing it myself. But I got diced tomatoes and green chili rotel mix, or whatever you want to call it. I got chicken broth, and I got and I got tomato paste. And I feel like I cracked these, but they're eggs. Yes, I cracked one. That's what I got from the grocery store, and for what I got from Best Buy is this kit thing. It's a tripod. I have one now, but I don't know, I was like, I might as well just get the Sony blah blah blah. But yeah, if it's one thing that I have not learned in life and by my goddad and just in general, is the price today is not gonna be the price tomorrow. Basically, just spending money, you gonna make it right back. And my goddad also said, you don't go to work just to work. You go to work to make money and buy what you want and whatever else. And I was like, yeah, that does make sense. But I'm finna unbox. I probably will, I probably won't unbox this with y'all. I'll just show y'all what's in it. But the tripod and SD card, I think. It doesn't. Memory card. I don't know if SD cards and memory cards are the same thing. But yeah, this is the... I didn't know the difference because one of them was 140 and the other was 150. This was the 150 one. Now I wasn't sure what was the difference. But yeah, what comes is the tripod and the SD card, memory card, whatever. And I got free Apple storage and shutter, something like that. I don't know what it is, but yeah, that's all I got from the store. But the next time y'all see me, I will be cooking, so pretty sure y'all already know what it is. Well, it's new to me, so I'm gonna show y'all what I know. But I could zoom in, zoom out. I could, like, y'all can see, well, not clearly, but it would just focus on me and blur this out. And yeah, I can take pictures. Yeah, I like this. I'm most definitely going to invest in myself. So I'm going to continue to do it because this is going to go towards what that I have for y'all later on down the line. It's January. It's January now, and I want to get probably the end of February, the begin. I don't know. Well, it's gonna be a surprise, but yeah, yeah. So I like it. Let me show y'all. It's by Sony, but yeah. I still have a job, and I wish I could like do this full time. I wish it could turn into my full-time job, and I can just be a content creator. But unfortunately, it's not. So I still have to work. It's going to pay off. I know it's going to pay off. So yeah, I'm just going to continue to invest in myself, and yeah. So I still have to put these groceries up, so yeah, let's put them up. I got gifted these for Christmas, and I've tried these, yeah, freeze dried candy before, but I never tried any sour ones. So oh, bitch. So this thing came with a memory card, and I did not know that memory cards and SD cards were the same thing, which is kind of slow because I don't see why I thought there was a difference, because the thing that's in my camera, what does my footage go to? And it does what? Hold memory. So they're all the same thing. So yeah, just the one that I have in my camera right now, it has more gigabytes than this one. Even though whenever I upload it and edit it, I delete it off my SD card, and yeah, so it was. I mean, I'm thankful for it, but yeah, if I just forget to remove everything that's on my current SD card, I can just put it back and put this in my camera and just record off of here without just, like, if I'm busy. Who is texting me, honey? These would probably be a little thing that, yeah, I don't want to get too like full off of if I'm knowing I'm finna eat something later. But yeah, right now it's 6:30. I need to start cooking now. When you make chili, do you put beans in it? Put what? Chili. You do? What kind? So my mama do put beans in hers, but she get the one that already has the chili, whatever, the one that's already seasoned. So what was on my New Year's resolution? I hate that my fire extinguisher that is right there. It makes me like I'm in the hood. But what was on it from the get-go was to purchase me a camera. So we already got that. I want to trade in my car. I want to get a new credit card. I want to take at least 3 trips this year. So yeah, my New Year's resolution for this year is to trade in my car, get a new credit card with a higher spending limit, higher my credit score, take 3 trips this year, and go to school for something. I'm very indecisive. I wanted to go to be an LPN, but I don't want to be. You know what? I'm gonna save that conversation for later. Do is obviously open the ground beef. Do I need to open both of them? So we're going to take it and strain it. So you're gonna wipe out all the grease, the extra grease that was in there after you strained it. What the fuck is that noise? Oh, So what I just did was I strained my rotel, then I put my meat in with the rotel in this pot. I add my taco seasoning and my chili seasoning in here. Now what do I do with the seasoning? So I pour all of the chili mix in there and save half of the taco mix just in case. So then what I'm gonna do is pour all of my tomato paste in here. I just preheated my oven for my cornbread to 425. So I'm pouring my chicken broth in there to the consistency that I want. I hope y'all can hear me. So now I'm pouring my red kidney beans in. I'm gonna pour a little because I'm not sure. Oh, bitch, it's slimy. Okay, period. It's looking like chili. Some seasoning could do. Okay, so I'm adding onion powder, seasoning salt, and the beans and everything. Oh, yeah. So right now we finna make our cornbread and we making it in this pan. It was supposed to be like we was gonna have our own bowls and I put the chili on the inside, but I can't find no pots, bowls, whatever. But yeah. So we gonna use both. So since I'm using 2 packs of it, it says use 1 egg. So since I use 2, how many are we gonna use, guys? Hopefully I got that right. Remember, we're using 2 packets and it calls for 1.5 cups. So how much is that? I'm gonna let y'all figure that out. So we're gonna mix until your egg is beaten in. I just put 2 tablespoons of sugar in here. So we're gonna push our cornbread to the side. The cornbread is done and we're finna put it in the oven. The cornbread is cooking. I'm finna clean up and still stir my chili. So I'm gonna catch back up with y'all when everything is done. So y'all, this is the cornbread. Real cute, real cute. And this is the chili. And I'm finna plate it. So. I'm gonna call y'all back when I'm finishing my food. I'm laying down watching TikTok and I was talking about the fire that was happening in California or whatever, and I wanted to know what started it. So people's like links, hold on, links can and a lighter, and I'm not sure what a links can is. It was officially into Hollywood all because two kids were playing with a can of links and a lighter. I don't believe that because links is X. It's just a lot of random weird stuff happening at the beginning of the year. We're only 9 days into the year. How weird. If I could get paid for scrolling on TikTok, I would be a pay MFer. But it's, I don't know if y'all know, but it be these little robot things. It can't be them robot things that be delivering your food in California. Wait. It's not funny. The comments makes it funnier, and I'm just now reading the comments. It said, I feel like I just watched the animal get hit, not him just standing there shot. They just hit him, bro. I love TikTok, because what in the world? Anyways, and then I just seen something on Twitter saying, it's still on my notification thing. It says TikTok confirmed they will be shut down in the United States on January 19th unless the Supreme Court strikes down or postpones law requiring it to be sold. And I seen something about Trump did something. Basically, TikTok is gonna go away. So I don't know. I hope TikTok does not go away because I love TikTok and I'm just now really taking it, well, not really taking it serious, but I'm really just now posting on there, and then I'm actually being active on YouTube. So I don't know. I hope he don't. A lot of people, that's probably their main stream of income, and I hope they don't affect anyone. I hope they have multiple incomes. But like TikTok is so like, I don't know. You build your For You page. I don't know, but I hope he don't be in there. I hope he don't. But yeah.